We hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal, that they are endowed by their Creator with certain inalienable rights, that among these are life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness.
Had enough of politicians breaking the rules and trashing all our dreams, while a choir of fools and media magicians sing hallelujah, our government is king. If you still believe we're created to be free, lift your hands up high, shout it out with me. We the people. Can you hear us? We the people. Gonna stand our ground. We the people. In the name of truth, in the name of freedom. We the people. That's what this country's all about. We gonna make some noise right now. Hey. We the people ain't afraid to stand on the foundation our nation was clearly built upon. People, there's a lot of us cross the land. We love our families. Pray to God that He keeps our country strong. They keep talking change. We got something to say. You're gonna see some real change come next election day. We the people. Hey DC, can you hear us? We the people. Gonna stand our ground. We the people. In the name of truth, in the name of freedom, we the people. That's what this country's all about. We will speak. We will stand. We will fall on our knees and pray for this land. We, the people of the United States, in order to form a more perfect union, establish justice, ensure domestic tranquility, provide for the common defense, promote the general welfare, and secure the blessings of liberty to ourselves and our posterity, do ordain and establish this Constitution for the United States of America.